so I'm trying to erase them. The medicine doing damage to my brain. Cause the pain is present, I'm trying to be vacant. All these encounters are keeping me up until I hope this wasn't fake. Be honest, camouflage. It's always the fucking fault. I don't want to let go. Never gonna let go. This last beat, breakdown. Hope this wasn't fake, no. It's that let it all go vibe. It's that we had a free show. I'm going on my grind. 50 chains are laying on my feet, and that's fine. Life is always a gamble, so as long as I can readjust my bearings, I'll be good for these street rides. No street signs. Follow my heart to where the sun and the east rise. Away from nights where all I can do is eat fries. Always damn bipolar with my rewind. But it's throwing up middle fingers and a peace sign. Handle bars like I ride BMX, but handle my emotions like I got PMS. Growing up there wasn't episodes on PBS. Explaining how to raise the children like I got PTS. Gotta be like Jimmy saved by the EMS. And there's damage in my brain from these EMFs. God knows it's been a rough ride like DMX. We still pull up 20 deep like we DMF. Never change our only promise, you should keep your death. Loyalty is much more than any degree of success. Yes, I've been trading every single one on my checks before I start repping the city on my vision and best. Let's go. In the nighttime, have a daydream like didn't have a lifeline, turning 18 like I probably should have flatlined, but I'm still fine like even at the crash side, I can still fly like summertime's never really hit because I've been working jobs since a little kid. I always been too tall, my clothes couldn't fit. The closest I've been to having dollars was missing in the 50 cent. But with the split, I feel many man. I'm trying to go international for this minivan. The AC broke, but still let me vent. Bought a keyboard to make beats, but spent for rent. Forgot I had a gun in my pocket and I was bent. Probably stuck between my gun and a bottle lint. Wish I was a baller, but instead I'm on a bench. Stuck with memories of dad calling mama bitch. Common sense knows I won't be an athlete. And no girl's gonna want me with this acne. Absorbing negative vibes, I'm attracting. Started rapping, all of a sudden got a rap sheet. Last week in a cop car in the backseat, watching the familiar face that I knew past me. Jealousy drilling my enemies instead of past me. I don't need a review, ask me. I am gonna test me. Yeah, hands up. Nighttime, having daydreams like didn't have a lifeline, turning 18 like probably should have flatlined, but I'm still fine like even at the crash side, I can still fly like yeah, if you let me say da-da-da-da-da 1, 2, 3, say a little out there, I can't hear you, da-da-da-da-da 1, 2, 3, say one here in Canada, so I'm gonna put my juju out here since we put our feet down on this motherfucking country today, and hope that we leave with that #1 here in Canada next week too, man. That would be fucking huge. And if it doesn't happen, then we'll never ever be fucking friends again, and I'll never forgive you. Joking. Am I though? New song, but you kind of heard it because we just put it out. But new song. And the sunshine. I took a time and felt the sky. It's a good life. And it's bad, but that's alright. On the bright side, we all sin and sympathize. So in the meantime, might as well enjoy the ride. 4 seats and 5 people not to take a vacation. Roll the windows, roll it up, let's make a vacation. Where's the volume? Turn it up, who got the everybody sing the song just like we're in royalty and cheap hotel. Days they confused. but we clean up well. Didn't need no real for a hell of a time. Fuck it, let's do like we did in the video. It's a long way home. Back the other way. It's a long way home. It's a long way home. It's a long way. Oh, you came. Let's go. These bad decisions I make is just me avoiding boredom. Call it ironic, I got money and porn cologne. Feels like I'm flying on coffee and coca. I'm cola, only lights on the horizon. I'm ones that pull me over, clap. I'm a drifter, let me go. It's the only life I know. Chasing vultures and black crows to the promised land. I'm sold with royalty and a cheap hotel. Dazed and confused, but we clean up well. Didn't need no help for a hell of a time. Alright, let's go. It's a long way home. This is why you sing it. It's a long way home. I'm drinking my ears out. I want to hear it loud. Sing. It's a long way home. It's a long way home. Oh, wait, hold on 1 second. I got my shades on because the day's long. I'm on the highway. I got your phone going. Now let's give it a golf clap. Maybe just us. We were royalty in a cheap hotel. Dazed and confused, but we cleaned up well. Didn't need no rail for a hell of a time. Here in Toronto, fucking let's go. It's a long way home. That is so fucking cool. Let's go again. It's a long way home. Yeah, it's a long way home. It's a long way home. All right. This song we put out, I don't really think anyone liked it. You probably never heard it. It goes like this. Oh, you guys know this? Watch me take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night. Just me, I'm the one on the run away from the headlights. No sleep, I'm always wasting time with people that don't like. I think something's fucking wrong with me. Got myself in alcohol, that shit never helps at all. I might say some stupid things tonight when you pick up this call. I've been hearing signs on the other side. I can taste it on my tongue. I can tell there's something wrong, but I guess it's just my life, and I can take it if I wanna, but I can't hide in the hills of California because these hills sound right, and I got paranoia. I hurt myself sometimes. Is that too scary for you? Watch me take good things, fuck it all up in one night. Catch me Fuck up and lose control. Burn so many bridges, got nowhere to go. Bitches got these photos like Anna and Nicole. I'm smoking cigarettes alone until the day like fuck the jokes. Damn.
All alone in the glass house. Lie awake till the sun's out. In the sky when you come down.
Life's been hard since 17. I've been through hell, I think I'm somewhere in between. Crying purgatory, I can paint the scene. Everything turned to a nightmare from a dream. Look, wish little people me a smoke, but I can't get that back. I just came from Pittsburgh, damn, I miss my homie Mac. Yeah. Last time I got off the stage, I looked Chester in his face. Now he gone and ain't no going back. Let's go, why don't you money in the damn thing? Why don't you throw me in the damn thing? I'm waiting on the rain to come and wash it all away. Why don't you throw me in the damn thing? Bury me in gold chains, yeah. Throw me in the damn thing. Lately I've been sick of living and nobody knows how I'm really feeling. I always hated to smile, but to keep what is killing me hidden inside. I didn't sign up to be the hero, but I don't want to wind up a villain. I put my daughter to bed and attempted to kill myself in the kitchen. Yeah, I should have screamed, but nobody listened, so I passed out with the blood dripping in this glass house, living like a prison. Being deaf, keep tongue kissing. I just fell out with my little bro. The light get to us, the drink into us, the drug into us. Just how in the hell and everybody do what the fuck are we doing? It's feeling like, why don't you throw me in the damn thing? Why don't you throw me in the damn thing? I'm waiting on the rain, come and wash it all away. Yeah, why don't you throw me in the damn thing? Bury me in gold chains, yeah. Throw me in the damn thing. Other songs, I know that some of these songs we don't do in actual concerts, so I hope you feel it. That's what she said. This song is a true story. It was about when I was young, dumb, and full of I hate that I saw you again last night. You were with somebody and so was I. Met you in the bathroom at 12:05. Fucked you again, we could never be friends, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not myself when you're around, no. Can't be else, we aren't saying that's just the way it goes. I'm a demon in the night, she's an angel with the white. So I keep on all the lights, you can show me what you like. Now we put back on my clothes, make sure nothing's on my nose. Can't even tell my closest homies, nobody knows. I hate that I saw you again last night. You were with somebody and so was I. Met you in the bathroom at 12:05. And I thought you were dead, we could never be friends. Yeah, 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 I couldn't cry. I need smoke, I'm feeling sick inside. Our alibis didn't work this time. She's a demon in the night, I'm an angel with the white. So to keep on all the lights, I can show you what you like. So we put back on our clothes, make sure nothing's on my nose. Can't even tell my closest homies, nobody knows. I hate that I saw you again last night. You were with somebody and so was I. At 12:05.